So now this mic is working, and this is not fake, as you can see here. Now you want to make videos for YouTube or any other social platform, and you want your audio as good as your video. You are in the right place. I'm gonna make this mic in just $3. How does this microphone records excellent quality of audio as you can hear it? And how does this microphone competes with the other expensive option available in the market? Actually, the secret behind this better quality is that this microphone is operated with the battery, and it also contains a circuit that reduces the noise reduction. So after watching this video, you will be able to make this mic for you too. So watch till the end. Hit that red subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get my latest videos notification. Subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get my latest videos notification. Let's get into the making of mic. So first of all, if you don't know the pin number of the IC, so that's how you can understand it. This little notch or circle will indicate that this is the front side of the IC. So front left side the number will start 1, 2, 3 and 4, and from the other side 5 and 6 and so on. Then you're gonna need an A5532P IC, and I'm gonna solder its first 4 points to the first 4 columns. Also make sure that you solder all the components properly on the board, because if you don't, then your circuit will not work. It happens to me 2 times. One pin of the IC was not connected properly, and the one resistor was also not connected properly. That's why my circuit was not working. After soldering the IC, I soldered the 1 mega ohm resistor and 10 picofarad capacitor on the board. One terminal to the first column and second terminal to the second column. Now you're gonna need a 47 kilo ohm resistor. I'm gonna solder its one terminal to the second column. I solder its one terminal. Now I'm gonna solder its second terminal to the fifth column on the PCB. Now you're gonna need two 470 nanofarad capacitor and connect them parallel to each other. Now just solder the one terminal of the capacitor with the fifth column and the second terminal on the sixth column. Now as you could see, I soldered it on the fifth and sixth column. Now you're gonna need a 1 kilo ohm resistor, and I'm gonna solder its one terminal to the fifth column and the other terminal on the 7th column. Now the 1 kilo ohm is soldered. One terminal with the capacitor on the column and the other terminal on the 7th column. Now you're gonna need 10 kilo ohm two resistors. Connect them in series with each other, and also connect a jumper wire between them. Now solder its one terminal on the 4th column and other terminal to the 7th column. And here we go. The two 10 kilo ohm resistors are connected. I'm gonna take the other terminal of this wire and connect it to the third pin on the IC. Now you're gonna need a headphone wire, and I'm gonna connect this one terminal to the first column and second to the 4th column. You also need a headphone jack. Connect the other end of this terminal to the 3.5mm jack common pin. Connect this terminal to the first pin on the jack. I soldered the wire on 8th pin and I'm gonna solder its other terminal to the 7th column. Okay, so I soldered the wire, and now I'm gonna connect the battery negative terminal to the 4th column and positive terminal to the 7th column. So connecting positive terminal to the 7th column, negative to the 4th column. So now you're gonna need a condenser microphone, and it is also very cheap and easily available in the market. Now I will connect the mic positive wire to the 6th column and the microphone green negative wire to the negative 4th column. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the circuit. Cut carefully away from the 7th column where the wires are soldered. I'm gonna use this headphone cover to cover the circuit. Now I'm gonna replace the microphone wire by this white wire, and this is how you can peel it easily by using a soldering iron and a clipper. As this wire contains 4 wires, so just we need 2 wires. Twist these 2 wires and twist the other 2 wire also, and connect to one wire to the positive and the other to the negative. Now we need a TP4056 module. It is the BMS and it prevents the battery from overcharge. Connect the battery positive to the positive terminal and negative to the negative terminal. After this we need a female connector, and if you don't know that where to connect the positive and negative terminal on this female connector, it is very easy to find. So this connector contains 2 pins inside, one in the center and the other one in the side. From behind it contains 3 pins, one for positive and one for negative, and the other one is useless. And to know that where is the positive and negative pin, we need a male pin. Set your multimeter to beep mode and put your one probe inside the male pin, and with the other probe test these 2 wires where the meter beeps. Now the meter beeps on this straight wire. It means that this wire is connected to the center of the male pin right there. One very important information I want to share, that universally the center pin used as positive and the outer shell is used as negative. Now we know that which wire is positive and which wire is negative. Connect the female connector and set the multimeter to beep mode. Connect the multimeter one probe to the positive wire we just found. Use your second probe of the meter to find where this positive wire is connected on the female pin. The meter beeps on this wire. It means that this wire is connected on the positive on the male pin. The other 2 terminals have no response. Now we need to find the negative terminal also. For this we need to connect the negative terminal of the male pin, and with the other probe we will see where the meter beeps. So the meter beeps in this terminal. It means that this terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the male pin. Now we know that where our male, the positive and negative terminals are on the female pin. Now we're gonna solder it with that TP4056 module. Connect the positive to the positive terminal and negative to the negative terminal. To close the little box, I will super glue it. Connect the positive terminal of the circuit to the positive of the male pin and negative to the negative. So this is how we're gonna power our circuit with the battery.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
So this is my homemade Bluetooth speaker, and it can also charge a phone. And I will also upload making of this speaker video on YouTube on my ZTechBro channel. So stay tuned. There is another reason about this battery quality, but I will not share this now because this video is getting too long. So I will reveal the information in the next video, and I will cover that in 5 minutes. And if you don't watch that video, your mic will not work as same as mine. So watching that video worth it. Go and search secret behind the mic excellent audio recording on smartphone. Okay, that's it. Take care, and I will catch you in the next video.